and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to create product bundles in Shopify. Now, let me just say this before we go any further. I don't have any active online store and I don't sell anything, but for the purpose of this training video, I have created a dummy online store and used royal-free photos to list fake products so I can show you how to create bundles later on. So this bundling option would let your customer buy your products that they can get either for free or at a discounted price along with selected items. So this would be our main goal, and this is how it looks like on your Shopify store. First off, you have to make sure you have the products listed on your Shopify store. So from your admin page, you can go to products, and then you can customize your bundle, kind of like mix and match with different variants and so on. So you have to make sure you have different variants in here. And then if you have other online stores that has Shopify integration, you can go to that site first and push that item or product to your Shopify store. It also saves you the hassle of adding them one by one and putting the product's information again and again. So just a quick way to add a product on your Shopify store, click this add product button here, and then you can go ahead and add the title of your product, a quick description for it, a photo or video, of course the price, and everything else. So let me go ahead and do that. And then when you're done, just click save. When you go to the products again, as you can see here, the latest product we've added is here. Now we're ready to create our product bundle. So first, to do that, we have to install an app called Bundler. So go ahead and click apps. You can type it here, or you can also go to your Shopify app store and then search here, type Bundler, and this is what we need. So go ahead and click on that. You should see a button here that says install app, so go ahead and do that. Once that's installed, you can click open app from here. So you'll be routed to this page, and I've already created a bundle earlier, so it should show here on the list. Now, this bundler app has features to create the basic bundle, which works fine and serves its purpose. There are more ways to customize your bundle, but those are premium features and comes with payment depending on your subscription or plan. So I'll show you how you could tell if that's a premium or not. So first, let's create our bundle. So you can go ahead and click Create Bundle. And then, as you can see here, there's a green lock that is a premium feature. So again, you'll be paying for that or depending on your subscription. So what you just need is a classic bundle. Go ahead and click that. You'll be asked to fill out everything here. So let's just say this is perfect bundle 2, and then let's say get a huge discount. You can be more descriptive here, but I'll just leave it there. So as you can see on our first page here, it would cross out the original price and show the discounted price. So that's what it shows here. You don't need to change here. And then you can also customize the button. So it says your Get Perfect Bundle. I would say, hurry now, click this to get the perfect bundle. And then you can also put a little description right after the button. Now for the bundle status, you can go ahead and activate it as soon as you've added the bundle. But let's say, for example, you will have like a certain event, or let's say Black Friday, and you want that bundle to be available on that specific day. So you can just go ahead and use paused for the status, and then you can schedule it right here. But again, this is a premium feature, so we'll just go ahead and click activate. Down here, you'll be able to configure the colors of how you want them to look like. And then for the discount, you can choose a fixed amount or percentage. And then of course, you can also have without discount and etc. So here below, this is where you select the products that you wanted to add on your bundle. So just click on that and then mark any products that you wanted to add. So let's just say I want to add these 3 only. And then when you're done, just click add. It should show here, and you can also edit the quantity of each product that you wanted to add on your bundle. And then once you're done with that, you can also read this out, whichever works for you. And then we can change this because this is premium. And then once you're done with everything else, go ahead and click Save Bundle. All right, once that's done, you can go back and check here. So this is the bundle that we've added so far, Perfect Bundle 2. And then you can, if you need to edit, go back on something, some information, then you can just click on it to go back. And just don't forget to click Save Bundle afterwards. So let me go ahead and go back to my store and click a random product so that we can see if our bundle is here. So here's the one that we've made earlier. So this would be the discounted price once they get this perfect bundle we've added. And that's it. That's how you create product bundles in Shopify. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.